Have you heard of ChatKit and you're a developer who wants to implement it within your own application? And you may come across an issue of a blank chat interface. Well, if that's happening to you and you don't know why, go ahead and watch this video. And without further ado, let's get started. This is Jay Techie. The issue could be that you haven't added your domain into OpenAI's settings platform, and I'll show you guys how to do that because I tried to use ChatKit and it was a blank screen until I decided to do this. And also, I'm going to describe what ChatKit is. So right now, I'm on the ChatKit site. It says, ChatKit, build and customize an embeddable chat with ChatKit. ChatKit is the best way to build agentic chat experiences, whether you're building an internal knowledge base assistant, HR onboarding helper, researcher, companion, shopping or scheduling assistant, troubleshooting bot, financial planning advisor, or support agent. ChatKit provides a customizable chat embed to handle all user experience details. Use ChatKit's embeddable UI widgets, customizable prompts, tool invocation support, file attachment, and chain of thought visualizations to build agents without reinventing the chat UI. So basically, OpenAI has provided a way for developers to include the chat interface from ChatGPT inside your own application. And so there's this overview here which says 2 ways to implement ChatKit, and the recommended integration is embed ChatKit in your front end, customize its look and feel, let OpenAI host and scale to the backend from Agent Builder, requires a development server. And so in Agent Builder, you can build your assistant, your AI assistant, or your AI agent. And then once you build that, then you can take a workflow ID from there and embed it in the code that calls the ChatKit. And today I'm not going to show the code. There's examples that you can look for on the internet on how to implement ChatKit, but today I want to go over an issue that I was having that I didn't see much online yet. But what you have to do in ChatKit is you have to also register the domain you would like to use ChatKit from. And I will show you guys how to do that. So, in order to set your domain with OpenAI, you must go to their platform.openai.com website, and that's kind of like their playground and developer platform. Once you are here at the platform site, you will need to go to the settings, and the settings is actually the far top right corner. Here you should see a settings button, and you click on that, and then after that you must go to security on the side here. And once you go to security, you will see a domain allow list. And on this domain allow list, you must hit the add domain button. And then once you do the add domain button, you will put my you will put the website you would like to use ChatKit on. So my website.com, and so that's an example website that is just for example purposes. Then you will hit generate key. And now you have this as one of your example websites. And so you don't need to do anything else after this. And so your actual um, website will work now when using ChatKit. And one other thing is make sure you have the correct API key, and to check that you have your API key generated and in use is to go to the API keys tab, and then make sure you have an API key funded and ready to use. And those are the two things you need to make sure ChatKit is running properly without a blank chat interface. Well, I wanted to tell you guys that, and because it's could be an issue that you have ran into, and this was pretty much for developers who want to implement ChatKit in their own application on their own domain. And all right, well, that's all that I have for you guys today. And I thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on this video. And this is Jay Techie, and have a great day. Peace.